Want to know how to install a plugin in NetBeans? Well, no worries. In this video, I'm going to show you an easy step-by-step guide on how you can do it. It's super simple and under a minute, so let's get straight to it. Now, first things first, simply open up your NetBeans application. So once you've opened it up here, you should be provided and welcomed with this window right here. And on top, you should be seeing this navigation bar. Just simply select Tools right here. Now once you select the tools, just simply head towards plugins that should be right above options. Just simply select it. And now once you selected plugins, here you should be seeing available plugins, that is around 31. So installing it is pretty simple. You can just simply choose or sort of for the plugins that you want to install. So if you want to install Python right here, you can just simply select this checkbox and then select install right here. And once you selected install, the plugin should be automatically installed, and make sure you activate it later as well. We have also created a video on how to activate your plugin, so make sure to watch it. And that's it, super simple and easy. I hope this video helped. If it did, make sure to like, subscribe and tune in with us for more of these videos. See you in the next one.